Hi everyone, and how are we doing today? So let's take a quick trip to the farm. Let's go. So we just got into the farm and this is where we mix our feed. And we have the whole large pen all around. This is our walkway. So we'll be going straight to the lane we arranged our pregnant pigs. So let's see what's going on there. Okay, this is Mama Chole. Okay. We also have another nothing survey. So let's go face our pregnant sows, and the one we'll be looking at today, she would be due in I think 5 days from now. So 5 days from now she'll be giving birth, and her name is Susie. So apologies to whoever answers Susie on our timeline. So we do batch mating. This is our male, and these are the females all with him. We have other places we also have our males with females. So we do batch mating. All these mating batches are in our August batch, so we'll keep you updated with how they are coming up. So let's greet Susie. So you can see her tummy and her nipples are all out. So she will allow me to do the rubbing for her while she tries to relax more. She loves it being rubbed. So, and you can press the tip to check if the milk is already coming out, which is also a sign to show you she would be due, almost due. So when you do a nipple press and you see milk coming out, that means like in a few days time she should be giving birth. Then also, you can have over it. You see how big it is? See how big it is? So that's showing you a big mama giving birth. So, Susie, Margaret. Okay, so that's the little for today. So we have upcoming sections and additional lectures. We have over 150 feet currently in the farm. This is just the first section. This is the first section of our farm. Then the other side we have the second section. So we have above 150 grown pigs, adult pigs. So my batch crossing, we have the pregnant ones. We also have the gilts and the younger ones too. So keep click with us, EBUZO Farm and Frontier Veterinary Services. We're going to be giving you the best of the very best in pig farming. Thank you, and hope to see you soon.